Hello guys, welcome to a new video from me. Today we are driving this beautiful R32 GTR from a friend of mine. He let me drive the car. He is with me right now. So I'm gonna give you a quick walk around on the car, on the engine bay. The car is pretty much stock, but yeah, you will see in the video guys, the car drives really good, so let's check the car out. The car is mostly stock. It has a intercooler. It has some different brakes on the car, different exhaust as well. Sounds pretty nice. Swiss street legal, so the cars are not allowed to be way too loud. We're gonna pop the hood so you guys can see inside the car. Inside the engine, of course. So as you can see, the car is mostly stock, still has the twin turbos. It has a nice intake. I think intercooling piping is also done on this car. As you can see here, it's not stock, but everything else is stock. The car has 330 horsepower, also Swiss street legal. So guys, we're gonna drive the car now. I hope you're going to enjoy it and have fun. So guys, we are driving up the mountain now with the car. Gonna take it pretty slow since the car is pretty loose on the rear. It has pretty old tires, so we're gonna chill a bit. But the car drives pretty good, not gonna lie. So I don't know the street pretty good, so gonna be careful there as well. Going to be the pretty cool part here with the cornering. But yeah, I still don't want to overdrive the car since it's not my car and then I don't know the car good enough. So we're gonna be careful here. On the rear, as you can see. The car drives really good, guys. It's really nice, a stock R32. So guys, the 360 suction mount just broke off. That never happened to me before. That's the first time actually, and I didn't drive the R32 that hard like the Evo, so that's I'm pretty amazed that that happened. But the car is not damaged, everything is fine, so I'm very happy with that. As you can see, the lenses are a bit damaged and the suction mount, yeah, broke off pretty evenly. Now we are gonna remove the 360 part and continue with the POV. Look at the view guys, as always again here. It's a bit of a sketchy part with the corners. They're pretty tight. And the turbos also have a very special sound because of the twins, that they're regulating the boost pressure or something like that. I'm not exactly sure how they work, but the sound is coming from them and it's, yeah, pretty unique, I would say. I never heard that type of sound. You really can feel the power of the car coming below, and then as high as you rev, you just feel the power slightly falling down. Because of the stock turbos, you really feel that it's pretty heavy, but at the same time it's still pretty cool how the car drives. Guys, it's the last part uphill here and then we arrived at the destination. On the rear, as I said, you really can feel the car coming out of the corner. It's very predictable as well, so it's not that it's like super scary or something like it or whatever. But I'm really happy how the car drives. It's really good for most stock. It's really fast. Especially for mounts like that, it's perfect. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I did take some photos of the car. Maybe I'm gonna put them inside the video, we will see. And with that being said guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Peace out.